Kia just refreshed its best-selling hybrid crossover, and buried inside the update is tech you'd usually only find in cars twice the price. The 2027 Niro gets a new face with Kia's signature star map lighting, redesigned taillights, and 2 fresh paint colors. But the real upgrade is inside, a panoramic curved display combining a 12.3-inch touchscreen with an optional 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. It runs Kia's new connected car navigation cockpit, which updates itself over the air. No dealership visit needed. Say, "Hey Kia," and the built-in AI assistant handles your climate, audio, and more by voice. Certain trims even stream Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube straight to the dashboard. On the safety side, Kia expanded its driver assist suite. Forward collision avoidance now detects cyclists and oncoming traffic at junctions. Lane centering monitors whether your hands are actually on the wheel. And the top trim adds a 360-degree camera plus a highway assist system that manages speed, distance, and lane position together. Under the hood, it's hybrid only. A 1.6-liter engine paired with an electric motor for a combined 139 horsepower through a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission. No major power jump, but Kia says the ride, cabin quietness, and suspension have all been refined. It's not a reinvention of the Niro, it's Kia quietly packing flagship-level tech into a compact hybrid most people wouldn't expect it from. Full trim and pricing details are in the description.